Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello, survival enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain the current status of Green Hell on mobile platforms. Many players wonder if this intense survival game is available for phones and tablets. The truth is, the official Green Hell, developed by CreepyJar, is not currently released for Android or iOS. It's a highly detailed survival simulation, originally launched for personal computers, and later adapted for consoles and virtual reality. The main story campaign alone offers over 25 hours of immersive gameplay, challenging players with realistic survival mechanics. While the official Green Hell isn't on mobile, many excellent survival games are. Mobile survival titles often simplify complex mechanics to run smoothly on smaller devices. Developers focus on intuitive touch controls for actions like resource gathering, crafting, and base building. You'll find that graphics and expansive open worlds are usually scaled down to ensure good performance. The key is finding a game that balances engaging survival depth with the practicalities of mobile gaming, offering hours of challenging fun on the go. In any good mobile survival game, mastering key mechanics is essential. You'll constantly manage resources like food, water, and raw materials to craft vital tools and build shelters. Keeping an eye on your character's health, hunger, and thirst meters is a continuous challenge, requiring strategic planning. Exploration is also a huge part of the experience. Venturing into new areas can uncover valuable resources or introduce unexpected dangers. These elements combine to create a compelling and often difficult survival journey right in your pocket. If you're looking for a Green Hell-like experience on your mobile device, the best approach is to explore your app store. Search for terms like survival games, jungle survival, or realistic survival to discover alternatives. Always take time to read user reviews and check the developer's reputation to ensure you're downloading a high-quality game. Many mobile titles successfully incorporate crafting, exploration, and resource management, providing a challenging and engaging survival adventure. Look for games with positive community feedback for a truly immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.